Hey everybody, Adam Savage here in my cave with a tooltip and a funny story. The tooltip is that these are channel locks, and within the classification of pliers, there are needle nose, there are flat jaw, there are parallel jaw, soft jaw, regular pliers, electrician's pliers, etc. These are called channel locks, and that is a brand name, but more companies than Channellock make these. And these are stunning. These are an adjustable jaw plier that allows you to open up to a very wide range. So this one goes from 0 to, 1.25 inches. And they make them bigger and they make them smaller, but this is sort of the bread and butter size. And seriously, beginning makers wondering what tools you should have in your collection, this is absolutely one of them. The leverage you can get by squeezing down on something from the back of the jaws, you can literally, with the next size up of this, you can practically tear a lock out of a door with them. Yeah, that's how powerful they are. So Channellock's really, really good to have in your kit. And a few years ago on Mythbusters, I noticed that my Channellocks were missing, and I just had logged it in my head that I had like a small pair of Channellocks, but I didn't have my large pair. And so I had that in the background processing. Oh, got to get myself a larger pair of Channellocks. When one of the PAs on Mythbusters called me from a hardware store and they said, hey, that thing you needed me to grab, it's underneath the minimum that I can charge to the company. And so I need to buy one more thing. What else do you need here? And I said, oh, hey, get me a big pair of Channellocks. Get me the biggest pair they have. And he was like, great. And then he came home with the biggest pair of Channellocks they had. And boy, should I watch what I say. Because he spent like $100 and some on this monster. This monster! I feel like I could tear a fire hydrant out of the ground with this thing. It's magnificent. Just be careful what you ask for. But this isn't even the point of my story, although I'm very glad these are part of my kit. I recently got a beautiful piece of fan mail from Timothy Keys, who thanks me for the knowledge, and he said I posted a video about my favorite miniature and jumbo tools featuring my Channellocks. Yes, I already told this story on the channel, probably like 2 or 3 times. Knipex. These are the Cobra XS, the miniature. He sent me the cutest Channellocks I have ever seen by Knipex, but he's actually saying it's pronounced Knipex. Knipex. Is it really? Tell me. That's awesome. I'd love to have I like to know the correct pronunciation of things. You spread the handles to widen the jaws just like normal, but the cool part is you can tighten down with the handles together. Ooh. Fully one-hand operation, nice for tight spaces. I had planned on sending you mine, but as I typed this message, I realized that I love them way too much, so I bought you a new one instead. Timothy, that is highly generous of you, and I brought my package opening scissors. Okay. Oh, wow. That is lovely. Now, apparently, they have some extra grabby feature. No? Yeah, no, they work just like normal Channellocks. That is super awesome. So now we have... Oh, look at that. Goldilocks all through Channellocks. I am so... Oh, Goldilocks and Channellocks. There's a children's book in here. A children's book based on personified tools. All right, I'm not going to write it, but you can. Thank you guys for joining me for this tool tip. And if you're wondering what size Channellocks you should get, I'd say this Goldilocks size is perfect for you. And then as you progress, you could move up to the big size, move down to the small size. I'll see you guys next time.